For the next series of lessons, we will need a new place for the data to reside, as we will be starting to focus on the modeling processes of Fusion 360. I'll go to the project, create a new folder named Tier 2, activate it, and then close the data panel. When starting to work in Fusion 360, you don't begin with a template. You simply start a new design that uses the default measurement system. You can change the units by moving to the browser and selecting the Edit icon next to the current units. When you select the Edit icon, a dialog will appear where you can select the units you would like to use for the design. In the dialog, you can also choose a checkbox to set the units you've selected to be the default going forward. Because you've made a change to the file, the untitled name in the tab will now have an asterisk next to it. This is Fusion 360's way of letting you know the changes have been made that have not been saved. If you close the file without saving, a new untitled design automatically opens and has inch units because we set that to the default in the previous file. You can also set the default units by going to the Name dropdown and choosing Preferences, then going to the default units under Design to set the value to millimeters. I'll click OK and then close the current design without saving. When the new design appears, it has the unit set to millimeters as was set by using the preferences.